Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you're also facing this problem on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, for that you have to simply go to your home screen and now you have to open any browser in your device. So guys, open any browser and after this search here for iforgot.apple.com. So guys, here it is, you can see this. Simply go to iforgot.apple.com from here, and from here you have to tap on reset my password from here. So guys, tap on this. And from here you have to simply enter your passcode for your device for one time. So guys, give here your password, and from here you have to simply enter new password to change your Apple ID password for one time. So guys, you have to simply change your password for one time, and after this go back and now force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart it, and after this open settings in your device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below, and from here you have to simply sign out your Apple ID for one time. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID, and after this you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your settings again and tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software. And after this go back, and from here you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open your browser again, and from here search for support.apple.com. So guys, support.apple.com, here you can see this, and from here you have to simply select your device, and now scroll it below all the way, and from here you can see you can get support from the Apple team from here. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply get support from the Apple team, and you have to simply submit this report to the Apple team. So guys, simply submit this report after explaining all your problem, and you have to simply submit to the Apple authorities. So guys, hopefully the Apple team will look into this matter and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.